In Canada, taxes are not just numbers. They control your lifestyle, savings, and future. Hello everyone! Welcome back to Smart Canada Guide. If you are new to Canada or planning to move here, this video is a must-watch. Today's topic: how much tax you pay in Canada. In this video, I'll explain how the Canadian tax system works, federal and provincial taxes, real salary examples, CPP and EI explained, why newcomers often overpay tax, how to legally reduce your tax, biggest mistakes you must avoid. Watch till the end. This video can save you thousands of dollars. Why Canada collects tax? Taxes in Canada pay for free healthcare, public schools and universities, roads, transit and infrastructure, child benefits and social programs, pensions and employment support. Canada is a high-tax but high-benefit country. When you pay tax, you are not losing money. You are funding services you also use. In Canada, income tax has 3 layers. 1 federal tax, same across Canada. 2 provincial, territorial tax, depends on where you live. 3 payroll contributions, CPP and EI. Everyone pays federal tax. Provincial tax depends on province. CPP and EI apply to most workers. Canada uses a progressive tax system. This means higher income leads to higher tax rate. Lower income leads to lower tax rate. Biggest misunderstanding: if I'm in a high tax bracket, all my income is taxed at that rate. Wrong, only the income inside that bracket is taxed at that rate. Think of tax brackets like stairs, not a cliff. Federal income is taxed in layers. First portion, lowest rate. Next portion, higher. Top portion, highest. If you earn $70,000, part of income is taxed low, part medium. Only top part is taxed higher. This system protects low and middle income earners. Each province sets its own tax rates. Examples: general idea. Alberta, lower tax Ontario. Medium tax, BC. Medium high, Quebec. Highest tax. 2 people earning the same salary can have very different take-home pay. Province matters a lot. Besides income tax, you pay CPP, Canada Pension Plan, mandatory retirement contribution. You get pension later in life. Employer also contributes. EI, employment insurance, job loss support, maternity, paternity benefits, sickness benefits. Newcomers often forget these and wonder, why is my net salary low? CPP plus EI are not income tax, but they reduce take-home pay. How tax is deducted from salary? In most jobs, employer deducts tax automatically. You receive net pay. Your pay stub usually shows gross pay, federal tax, provincial tax, CPP, EI, net pay. You don't calculate monthly tax. Employer does it. Real salary examples. Example 1. $35,000 salary, low tax bracket, lower CPP, EI, take home. $27,000, $28,000 example. 2. $50,000 salary, mixed tax brackets, full CPP contribution, take home. $37,000, $39,000 example. 3. $75,000 salary, higher tax on top portion, take home. $52,000, $55,000 example. 4. $100,000 salary, significant tax on top income, take home. $68,000, $72,000, exact amount depends on province and personal situation. Do new immigrants pay more tax? No special tax for immigrants. But newcomers often miss deductions, don't file on time, don't report correctly. Result: overpay tax unintentionally. The system is equal. Knowledge is the difference. Tax return, annual report of income, mandatory for everyone. Tax refund, only if you paid extra during year, refund free money. It's your own money returned. Biggest tax mistakes newcomers make: not filing tax return, filing late, not declaring foreign income, ignoring CRA letters, not keeping receipts, assuming accountant will handle everything. These mistakes can cause penalties, delays, stress. How to legally pay less tax: use registered accounts, RRSP, tax deduction, FHSA, home buyers, RESP, education benefits, claim credits, rent credit, tuition, child benefit, medical expenses file. Every year, even with zero income. Smart tax planning equals smart life in Canada. Final tip: tax is part of Canadian life. Learn the system early, keep documents organized, ask questions, don't guess. Education saves money. If this video helped you understand taxes in Canada, hit the like button. Subscribe to Smart Canada Guide.